So in this video, we have Simon here today.
Yep.
We're going to be showing you how to install a aftermarket head unit into an older car. I'd recommend this modification for any sort of older car that you're going to daily drive. For the main fact, you can Bluetooth or hands-free your phone, and then you're not going to get done with the coppers driving on the phone. And it's
so they are looking at actually changing that though.
Why?
It is. No, I know. I completely agree.
We have our head unit in here. It's not coming
If you
out.
can fucking get that, yeah, that'll work. Beauty.
I've got to put that over there because
Pulling the whole dashboard apart.
yeah, you actually do, I think.
Yeah, I thought so.
That's our head unit and our bracket that's going to hold it in. And without further ado, let's get stuck into it.
Okay,
Let's do it. So I actually went out and got two harnesses. Yeah. So we're using a Kenwood head unit. So we need the Kenwood to ISO harness and then the Hyundai to ISO. So that's our ISO there. That's the Kenwood side. And then that's the Hyundai side to go in that goes up in the head unit. And first we must disconnect the battery. So dickhead over here doesn't electrocute himself. Head unit out. I actually did buy this little thing and it's good for like a cheap, quick replacement and it works great in that. But I just want a nice head unit that looks good and I can Bluetooth my phone to straight away, and then I don't have this getting in the way of me gears and that. So yeah, that's the main reason I'm doing this. ICC dash fascia, fucking whatever you want to fucking call it. He's got that off at the moment. Yep. And we've got flashlight. We've got one clip that doesn't really want to come out. No. So we're gonna have to persuade it a little bit, which you shouldn't
hold it up there. Don't worry about it.
Actually, that would work too. Head unit exposed. Good. Well, I didn't know this, but I probably should have known this. There's actually an earth on the head unit, and we can go ahead and earth it back onto here. I believe that's what that's for. So we're just going to do that first. I've unplugged everything else, and then we're going to earth it first, and then we're going to throw it in. Righto. So the dash fascia that I brought a kit from Autobarn, and it's about as useless as a screen door on a submarine. Doesn't fit, it's for the wrong car. See, look how there's mounting points and they don't fucking fit anywhere. So we've done a little modifying. It looks terrible, but it's gonna do just fine, I reckon. And yeah, so that's just where we're at with this. No, that's gonna work. That's gonna work just fine.
That'll be fine.
Like that.
Yeah, screw it in, it'll be right.
Right. This is fucked. Why is it taking us this long to do a head unit?
Give the geese the final product.
Right, that's actually our head unit fascia now that I've...
Looks good. All right, chuck in there so we make sure it fits.
Custom made.
Anytime today.
And that'll go in there. Like
Beauty.
that. Now we're gonna screw it in, put our fascia back on, all our clips together, and then that's done. Which is actually the bit I like. I really like auto elect. I'm really interested in auto elect. So I'll just walk you over what we got here. So we could be twisting and taping, which is the very sketchy way to do it, or we could also solder it, but I don't have a soldering iron and don't know how to solder. So I brought an RCA to, no, what is it? It's 16 pin to Kenwood adapter. So that's the Kenwood input, that's our 16 pin input. And then a 16 pin to ISO. So go ahead and click her in. Yeah, like a mute feature or whatever it is. That goes in there.
Beauty. Let's hook up everything else. Yep.
Yeah, earth on. That's on.
Nice.
What was that? That wasn't for that. What do we need? Routed in the most ugliest way. Uglier than Ryley's grandma. Needs to be tucked away. Yep. That all needs to be...
Yeah, make sure you don't get the shit fluid. That's right away.
Righto.
Beauty. Alright, now we need to make sure we have all the other cables ready.
And then there's them two. Right, that's right to go in now. We're gonna do that first. We're gonna turn it on, see if it works, put it all together. So we'll get back to you in a minute. I have like electricity buzzing around in the car.
And we thought, oh, fuck, the car's on fire.
Yeah, I thought, fuck the car. He's just chilling. Freeze, sucker. He's making a run for it, Simesy. He's making a run for it. I know, Simesy, start the car, mate. Don't actually start it, just put the accessories on. There we go.
Beauty.
Look at her, she's flash, isn't she, mate? Fucking get a go of that. All secure and in there, it's all Bluetoothed up. I ran our microphone out through the side of the fascia. It looks a bit ugly, but look, what are you gonna do? It works. It works well. And Simesy and I called that a success. Us watching this video, it's actually been a bit of a learning curve for both Ryley and I, which I didn't expect today. I didn't expect to fuck it up as bad as we did and then fix it as good as we did. But thanks for watching our first ever installation video. There'll be many more to come when I get the XE home and we get stuck into that. And I'll probably have Ryley on the set a lot more often, helping us out. I'm going to teach him how to change springs and wheels and putting exhaust in and stuff. Anyways, for another time. Thank you for watching the video, and like and subscribe if you liked it and you want to see more content.